Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Nissan Altima's Bluetooth. First, ensure your Altima is parked safely with the engine running. Next, access the settings menu on your vehicle's infotainment display. Finally, turn on Bluetooth on your mobile device and make it discoverable so your car can find it. This initial setup takes just a few moments, preparing you for seamless connectivity. Now let's pair your device. On your Altima's screen, select Bluetooth from the settings menu. Then choose Add New Device to begin the pairing process. On your mobile phone, look for your vehicle's name, which is often displayed as My Car or Nissan Altima in the list of available devices. This step connects your phone to the car. To confirm the connection, a 6-digit PIN will appear on both your phone and the Altima's screen. Please verify that these numbers match exactly. Next, accept the pairing request prompt that appears on your mobile device. Once successfully paired, your phone's name will be clearly visible on the Altima's display, indicating a secure connection. With your device connected, you can now enjoy Bluetooth features. To play music, select Bluetooth Audio from the Altima's audio source menu. You can also make and receive hands-free calls directly through the vehicle's system. Adjust the audio volume conveniently using the steering wheel controls or the infotainment knob for a comfortable experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.